Let's start with practice set 10. Which number is neither prime number nor composite number? As discussed earlier, 1 is neither prime number nor a composite number. So here our answer is 1. Question number 2. This is very easy practice set. Yes, question number 2. Which of the following are pairs of coprime? Now there are 4 questions you all can see. Among these we have to check which of the pair as in 2 numbers, set of 2 numbers makes coprime. Now we know a pair of a number is coprime when the common factor is number 1. That's it. Let's list down factor of 8. Factors of 8, then factors of 14. Factors of 8 are 1. 1 how many times 8? 8 times. Remember this we did in 6th standard as well. Then after 1 comes 2. Yeah, so 8 comes in 2's table. 2 how many times? 4 times. 1 8s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Then again 3, 4 we are done writing. 5, no. 7, no. And then lastly 8. Next, factors of 14. Again 1. 1 how many times? 14 times. So 1 and 14. After 1 and 14 we will check next number. After 1 comes 2. So yes, 14 comes in 2's table. 2 how many times? 7 times. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 we already wrote. Then directly 14. Now let us check common factors. What are common factors? 1 and 2. So we are writing 1, 2. Now apart from 1, common factor is 2 also. Means 8 and 14 are not coprime pair. When the common factor is only 1, when the common factor is only 1, then and only then pair is a coprime pair. Otherwise, they are not a coprime pair. Next, 4 and 5. Let's write factor of 4. So 1 how many times? 4 times. Then next number is 2, last number. 2 how many times? 2 times. So we will write 2 only once. Next, factors of 5. 1 and 5. That's it. 5 is a prime number. So 5 comes in 1's table and its own table. Now common factor here is only 1. Yeah, we can see common factor is only 1. Therefore 4 and 5 is a coprime pair. Here we have to write is. Yes. Next, factors of 17, factors of 19. We know that 17 and 19 both are prime numbers, so factors will be 1 and number itself. Common factor here is again 1. If common factor is number 1, then therefore 17 and 19 is a coprime pair. Apart from 1, if another number is a common factor, then they are not a coprime pair. Next is 27, 50. Factors of 27, factors of 50. 27, 1, 27. After 1 comes 2. 27 doesn't come in 2's table. Then 3. 3 how many times? 9 times. Again 9 threes and lastly 27. So these are factors of 27. 15, 1 15s and 3 5s. Only these many factors of 15. Let us see common factor. Common factor here is 1 and 3. I am writing here 1 and 3. Now apart from 1, there is one more number which is a common factor. So therefore 27 and 15 is not a co-prime pair. Okay, I hope this part is clear. Co-prime pair. Let's move on to question number 3. Next is list the prime numbers from 25 to 100 and say how many they are. We know from 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. Let us see from 25 to 100. Now let me list down all the prime numbers from 25 to 100. So after 25, first number is 29, 21, 1. I am listing down prime numbers from 25 to 100. So these are prime numbers from 25 to 100. Next question says how many they are. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 prime numbers from 25 to 100. Yes, question number 4. Write all twin prime number from 51 to 100. We have to write twin prime number. Twin prime number concept is whatever are the prime numbers, from that we have to pick twin prime. What is twin prime? Now let us first write all prime numbers from 51 to 100. Here is the list of prime numbers. I am just going to write down here 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. So these are the prime numbers from 51 to 100. Among these, we have to list twin prime number. Now what is twin prime number? If there is a gap of 2 numbers between the prime numbers, then they are twin prime pair. Now let us check first one. 53, 59, there is a gap of 6 numbers, so no. 59, 61, there is a gap of 2 number, yes. So this is our twin prime pair. First twin prime pair. Let us check next. 61, 67, gap of 6 numbers, so no. 67, 71, gap of 4 numbers, so again no. 71, 73, yes, gap of 2 numbers, so this is our next pair. 71, 73. Basically, what is twin prime pair? When the difference among the prime numbers is 2, is the number 2, then these numbers are twin prime pair. Here we got 59, 61 as first pair, 71, 73 as second pair. Put the numbering. Don't put comma and write continuously. Put the numbering for different pairs. Let us see ahead. 79, 83, no. 83, 89, again no. 89, 97, again no. They are not twin prime numbers. So only 2 pairs. Next, question number 5 is also similar. Write 5 pairs of twin prime numbers from 1 to 50. Now we have to write from 1 to 50 and that to 5 pairs. First let us write prime numbers. Here I have listed down again 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 47, 43 and 47. So I have listed down here. Now we have to check for the twin prime pair. 2 and 3 only one number gap, so no. 3 and 5 two number gaps, then yes, 3 and 5 first pair. Second, 5, 7 again two number gap, so yes, 5 and 7 are also twin prime pair. 7 and 11 four numbers gap, no, they are not twin prime. 11 and 13 again two number gap, then yes, 11 and 13. Next, 13 and 17 four numbers gap, so no. 17 and 19 two number gap, so yeah, our fourth pair. 19, 23 no. 23, 29 no. 29 and 31 yes. Next, 31, 37 no. 37, 41 no. 41, 43 yes. Lastly, 43, 47 no. Okay, so these are the twin prime pair from 1 to 50. Question says we have to list 5 pairs, but we have listed here 6 pairs, so that is fine. Question number 6, last question of this practice set. Which are the even prime number? Now when we look at the list of prime numbers, we can see that all prime numbers are odd number except for this single number, which is 2. Correct. So only single number 2. 2 is the even prime number. Yes. So we are done with our practice set 10.